Proudly presented by Smart Hire.
Once the edges of a floor have been done, you can move to several different sizes of machines. The smallest machine is a little cup grinder. This machine works very well. It takes its time, but it works very well. So if time is not important, you can use this machine. It's also fairly light, so one person can handle the machine quite easily. You only need 3 diamonds to start off with, but you can go up to 6 diamonds on each blade. I'll just demonstrate to you how you install the diamonds onto the machine. First of all, you move the handle into that position, grab it there, tip it on its back. Here we have 3 standard VA30 grinding diamonds. The plate, as you can see, has 6 sections on it. If the concrete is very soft, you may choose to put 6 on there, but when you start off with 3. It's got a magnet in here which attaches the machine, and the centrifugal force will force the blade out to its maximum tension. You put 3 on. A small tap just to make sure that they won't fall out, and make sure that you have space, diamond, space, diamond, space, diamond, so that it's an even rotation and it doesn't get out of balance. Very easy to put on. The head moves with the distance of the floor, so the more you are grinding, the more this moves up. Okay. You can either grind with this machine with a vacuum cleaner attached to the back of it. The vacuum cleaner attaches to these sections and sucks up the dust as you work it. Sometimes you may choose to use water. You plug in the hose and use water, it has the same effect. With the water it's a little bit more aggressive, but it's a little bit more messy. With the vacuum you can just suck the dust up and you're finished. It is very important that when you're grinding to check the level on your machine, so that when you are grinding the little bubble is right in the middle. If it's not in the middle, adjust the machine so that it will be in the middle. Of course, if you're on a slope, that doesn't work.
To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.